start climbing? I didn't have a good enough grip.
The outtakes.
I almost want to give you an interview while you're sitting there.
I mean, we could before I started trying to get higher. Whew. That was tough.
How do you feel about it?
Oh, you know, climbing up was pretty tough on the account of me squishing my testicles, but you know, I made it. And at the end of the day, it's all for the birds.
Yeah, that's rough. No one cares.
I feel like that's pretty funny.
Yeah, that'll be good for something.
Okay.
You got a stick stuck in your shoe too.
When I was a young boy, I wanted to be a duck. And when they told me it would never happen, I said, just wait. One day, I'll be a duck. Well, look at me now, Dad. Oh, what it would be like to not have testicles. Oh, it'd be wonderful.
This one might be cool. I got the sun twinkling through the leaves. Or maybe that's just my astigmatism.
It's a good thing I'm so strong.
Do a little nod and walk away.